Hi, this is G, and well, this is Teach Savvy 101. And today I'm here to share something that I have learned, and this is how to create customized synchronous recorded sessions. And for today, we'll be using one program, and that is your OBS program. Pagpasensya nyo na, this is my first time to create an asynchronous recorded session. So just bear with me. Okay, so let's start. So OBS is an open broadcaster software. It is free and it's an open source software for video recording and live streaming. Right now, I used OBS for this recording. So, saan ba ginagamit ang OBS? OBS is used for video game streamers. Examples sa Twitch, sometimes in Facebook, and even YouTubers. They also use OBS. So, OBS is designed for gamers, but this can be used as an innovation to reach out to your students during asynchronous sessions. Instead of using the usual kunyaring free with an expiration for educational apps and programs, you may use this one because it is totally free and there are no need for premium accounts. You don't have to log in, you don't have to sign up, and whatsoever. It's just absolutely free. So to set up, what I have here is the following. Okay, I have my laptop or desktop, whatever you need. Second one, you need a monitor. Second monitor, you have to attach it to your laptop and desktop. A webcam, of course, because you have to record your face in front of the camera. And then, of course, handy dandy microphone. You need, of course, microphone. So step one is you have to install the OBS program. So, ayan yung link. So, it's https://obsproject.com /. So, you have to install OBS program and it runs, and it can run on Windows, Mac, and on Linux. So, madali na, obsproject.com. So, just download. After downloading it, install. So, after installing, make sure you have second monitor wherein you can attach, you can use for the live recorded session, not live, but a synchronous recorded session. So, just have another monitor. Maraming nabibili niyan sa Shopee. I got mine. This one, the one that I have right now, ito yung monitor ko before. So I have a monitor before, wala na siya. Ginagamit ko na lang siya ngayon. So after attaching, step 3 is you open your OBS. After installing, open your OBS, but put your OBS on the second screen, with sa attached screen. So may setting yung laptop or desktop that you can have that second screen as an extension. So basically, you can have two screens with different windows. So your OBS, after opening it, move it to the second screen. So after opening it, you can now start customizing your recording screen. Very simple yun. So I'm just showing you here some of I took pictures of that one. So from the sources tab, now this is now how to customize your screen for video recording. So from the sources tab, it is found on the lower left corner, katabi ng scene tab, it's nasa ibaba. So click on plus sign, you'll see a plus sign there, and then click on the video capture device. So video capture device, dun mo makikita yung webcam. So you just attach your webcam, and once you have that webcam, you can move, resize the video cam block anywhere inside the black screen. So there's a black screen, you can change it, move it, pwedeng buong screen mukha mo or whatever, you can just move it anywhere. Okay? So it's customizable. You can have it small, big, it's up to you. As long as your webcam is attached. And then next is you want your presentation. So for presentation, you just add the display capture. This will capture the laptop screen. Anong screen? Yung first screen. Again, OBS is on the second screen, on the extended screen, and then your first screen would be for the laptop. Dun yung PowerPoint mo sa first screen. The second screen is the OBS, the recorder. So right now, while I'm recording this, itong PowerPoint na nakikita nyo, it's on my laptop screen. And then on the second screen, na tinitingnan ko ngayon, dito nakalagay yung recording. Kita ko kung how it is recorded. That's how it's done. Same things. Step 7 is, oh sorry, yeah. Step 7 should be step 7, mali yan. Step 7, open the PowerPoint and will show up on the display capture. So once you've done display capture, ayan na, pwede mo nang makikita mo na yan sa screen mo doon sa makikita mo na yan sa second screen. So yung makikita mo sa screen sa laptop, this would be the PowerPoint, and on the second screen, you would see there ang content mo with first screen mo. Okay? So it will show up the display capture. Now, may setting yung PowerPoint. Now, if you have two screens, pag nag-click ka, yung second screen mo, bali, magiging PowerPoint presenter. Now, you don't want that. Why? Kasi hindi mo makikita kung nagre-record ka ba, hindi mo makikita yung recording session mo sa OBS, dun sa second screen. Hindi mo makikita kung tama ba naka-flash yung screen mo, hindi mo nakikita kung makikita ko ba sa camera, and so on and so forth. So, you have the second screen so you know if you're doing the correct way of recording the video. So to do that, you go to the slideshow tab on the PowerPoint, click on the setup slideshow. So after click on the slideshow tab, may setup slideshow doon, and then after clicking that, may lalabas na prompt. So malaking sub tab or sub screen. Under monitors, you click on primary monitor. Which the primary monitor, that means yung PowerPoint mo dito lang sa laptop, one mapapakita. Sa laptop monitor lang makikita. And then, under show type, click browse by individual so that the second screen will not be affected by what is happening on the first screen. Yung second screen mo, very independent from your first screen. Kasi lagi pag may dalawang screen ka and then you click on the presentation, both screens will react with each other. Both screen, pakikilaman ng PowerPoint. Now, this time around, if you do this, screen 1 will just be for PowerPoint, screen 2 will be for your OBS. The other one will not affect the other screen. Yan yung gagawin mo. Step, I don't know, 8 ba o 9? So, to do that, since nakita mo the screen mo nawala, natakpan yung webcam mo. So what you'll do, click on the video capture, do sa sources mo, you can change the order, and then move to top. That means it will be on top of your PowerPoint screen. Like that. So, then you can also move that one. Pwede mo ba, taas, it's up to you kung anong gusto mong gawin. And it will do that. Siguro pag PowerPoint ka, there are some spaces na PowerPoint na hindi naman kailangan ng background or doon mo lang siya ilagay. Or anywhere na hindi mo matatakpang text or whatever, doon siya ilagay. Yeah, that's it. And last one, after doing that, if you're good now with your PowerPoint and your recording video recording screen or your webcam capture screen, you can now click on Start Recording. You can now start recording like what I'm did now. Ayan, 9 minutes na ako na. Alam mo, 9 minutes na ako magsasalita dito. So that's Start Recording. And that's it. After recording, do save and save your session. So after recording, save and share it in any of your video or LMS platforms. will it be Twitch, G Suite, YouTube, Canvas, whatever you use, you can use that. You can even use that in Google Meet. Pwede rin. Instead of showing your PowerPoint, share your video on um, Google Meet. Why do we have to do recording session? Sometimes, minsan nakakasakit tayo, or sometimes we'll be doing something important, or you want your students to review again what we have mentioned. Sometimes, pag nag-Google Meet man ako, minsan baka nakalimutan mag-press ng record, and so on and so forth. Possible that you can do this. And you can, one purpose of this one is you can do it in advance. You can have an advance video. So, para ay di mo wala yung meron kang agad na creative juice na gusto mong gawin and you don't want to wait for that live session to occur. You can have a recorded session, pre-recorded session, and you just show it to your students. Still, it's you talking. Yun yung maganda about this one. So, aside from that, you can add different items. Just experiment on whatever you can see there. You can change the background to blue. You can add pictures. You can even add texts. So, that's it. So you can add as many items on the screen. You can experiment, enjoy your recorded sessions. Happy streaming. And that's it. This is your teacher, Sergi, and hope I shared something good, something relevant to what you'll be using this school year. Okay, this is Sergi. Thank you.